Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page on top by default in OneNote. This is a really helpful feature if you want to keep your newest notes front and center, making it easier to access the most recent information you've added without scrolling through older pages. Let's walk through how to set this up. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've got the app open, select the notebook you want to work with. This will bring you to your familiar workspace where all your sections and pages are displayed. Make sure everything is loaded properly before moving on to the next step. Once your notebook has been loaded, you'll notice that the process to add new pages on top by default is quite straightforward. Direct your attention to the left part of your screen. This is where your notebook sections and pages are organized and listed. You'll see your pages stacked in a vertical list, and this is the area where we'll make the necessary changes. From the Pages section, look at the top part of your page list. Here you'll find a button labeled Sort with a drop-down menu next to it. This button is key to controlling how your pages are arranged within each section. Click on the Sort drop-down to reveal the available sorting options. You'll see several ways to organize your pages, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on one specific option. From the drop-down menu, select the Date Created Sort function. By choosing this option, you're telling OneNote to organize your pages based on when they were created, with the newest pages appearing at the top. This means that every time you create a new page going forward, it will automatically be added to the top part of your pages list. It's important to note that your existing pages will also be sorted according to their creation date when you apply this setting. So you might see some rearranging of your current pages, but don't worry, this is normal. The key benefit here is that all newly created pages will default to the top position, making them immediately visible and easy to access. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully configured OneNote to add new pages on top by default, keeping your most recent work right where you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.